Hi my dear students, welcome back to our Maths class. Today we are going to start our 14th chapter, Pie Charts. Let's start the class. Okay, what do you mean by pie charts? Pie charts are specific types of data presentation where the data is represented in the form of a circle. In a pie chart, a circle is divided into various sections or segments, such that each sector or segment represents a certain proportion or percentage of the total. Let's do an example from the textbook page number 202. The picture below shown the votes each candidate got in a school election. Here the candidates are Demya, Nasia and Maria. Given first question, who won the election? Second one, what all information do you get from this picture? Students, look at this picture. Who won the election? Yes, Maria. Okay. Because in the figure, Maria has more area than others. So Maria won the election. Okay. Then move to the second question. What all information do you get from this picture? Yes, Ramya got the least number of votes. Okay. And Nasia is in the second position. Okay. So we can conclude that a picture which display information as parts of a circle is called pie chart. Next we have to do one more example from the textbook page number 203. The pie chart below shows the various occupation of people in a panchayat. Then answer the following questions. First one, what is the occupation of the most number of people? Second one, how many times the number of farmers is the number of laborers? Third one, what fraction of the total is the number of factory workers? And last one, arrange the occupations in the order of the number of people in each. Let's do one by one. In this pie chart, various occupations in a panchayat are there. The occupations are farmers, traders, laborers, factory workers, government employees and others. First we have to measure the angles formed in each part. Angle formed in part of farmers is how much degree? 60 degree. Okay. Similarly, we can measure angles formed in other occupations using protractor. Angles formed in each part of the occupations are farmers 60 degrees, traders 30 degrees, laborers 120 degrees, factory workers 60 degrees, government employees 60 degrees and others 30 degrees. Okay. Then we have to do the first question. What is the occupation of the most number of people? In the pie chart, the angle formed by laborers is more than other occupations. So, the occupation of most number of people in a panchayat is laborers. Next we have to do second question. How many times the number of farmers is the number of laborers? For that we have to find part of farmers to the whole circle. We know that angle formed by the part of farmers is equal to 60 degrees and complete angle, that means angle around a circle, is 360 degrees. So, part of farmers to the whole circle is equal to 60 divided by 360. In simplest form, we divide 60 on both numerator and denominator. 60 divided by 60 is 1. 360 divided by 60 is 6. So, part of farmers to the whole circle is 1 by 6. Next we have to find the part of laborers to the whole circle. Angle formed by the part of laborers is equal to 120 degrees. And angle around a complete circle is 360 degrees. So it becomes 120 divided by 360 degrees. In simplest form, we divide by 10, which is equal to 12 divided by 36. In simplest form, we divide by 12, it becomes 12 by 12 divided by 36 by 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1, 36 by 12 is 3. So, the part of laborers to the whole circle is 1 by 3. That is, part of laborers is equal to 1 by 3. And part of farmers to the whole circle is 1 by 6. Then we have to find out how many times number of farmers is the number of laborers. For that, we have to find out the ratio of the parts. That is 1 by 3 is to 1 by 6. We convert the denominator into 18. So, 1 by 3 becomes 1 into 6 by 3 into 6. And 1 by 6 becomes 1 into 3 by 6 into 3. Which is equal to 6 by 18 is to 3 by 18. Okay. Which is equal to 6 is to 3. We cancel 18 on both sides. 6 is to 3 means we divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay. So it becomes 2 is to 1, which means number of laborers is 2 times the number of farmers. Then we move to the third question. What fraction of the total is the number of factory workers? Part of factory workers is equal to angle formed by the part of factory workers divided by complete angle, which is 60 divided by 360 degrees, which is equal to 1 by 6. Last question. Arrange the occupations in the order of the number of people in each. From the pie chart, we can conclude that farmers, factory workers and government employees are equal in number. Laborers are most in number. Traders and others are same in number. Okay children, today's class is over. Thank you.